Guys, we are playing 1, 2, or 3. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, or 3. Okay, now your turn. 1, 2, or 3. Ooh, that's good. 1, 2, or 3.
3. Ay, 2 pala.
Okay, that's bad.
Bro, what?
1, 2, or 3.
1, 2. I pick 1 again.
1, 2, or 3.
3.
3?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, or 3.
2.
Finally, you pick something good for once. 1, 2, or 3.
3.
Now proceed. How many? Wait, how many? 1, 2, or 3.
How many? 1.
Wow, I think it's good. Wait, let me rename it. Okay. Come here, come down. Look, what do you pick? What you pick? Look. Okay, that's so bad. Okay, this is what you got. Iron sword, stone axe, totem of undying, leather cup, copper chest plate, copper
Yes, sir.
leggings, diamond boots. You're gonna be fighting the warden, and how much are you gonna fight is 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Wait,
bro.
I'm gonna put my armor first.
Put your armor first. Get your stupid thing off. The turtle shell, bro. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you my turtle shell.
Okay, give me it. Thanks, bro. Something I can shoot for once. Let me just... so I can escape. Okay, you're gonna fight one, okay?
Okay, bro.
Just
It's gonna be so hard.
just be ready, bro. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my god! No! No! That was so good.
Bro, got hooked.
Bro, I don't have
Okay, my turn.
Bro, didn't kill me, bro.
I'm gonna put back everything, bro.
Tanininganingong. Niningininginingong.
I'm gonna put everything that you took back, bro. Give me everything that you got from down there. Give me everything.
No,
Please.
I don't have anything.
Now let's go. Let's go. You got your trident?
No.
Come here. Come down.
Don't have my trident.
Come down, bro.
Where's my trident?
There you go.
This?
Yeah. That's your trident. No, that's not your trident. Okay, that's your trident. Okay.
Is this thing?
Where?
Oh, this thing. Okay.
What is missing, bro?
I don't know.
What is missing? Ouch.
I don't have anything. I
Okay,
just
now
wanna
let's
back
go.
downstairs.
Now let's go. You first.
Babe, baby ako, ha?
You first. Or I'm gonna... You killed me.
Get out of the
I said you first because I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna die too, bro.
You die first. Then I'm gonna see you to the bottom, bro.
Okay, bro.
Let's see if the warden is still here. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Yes, he's still here, bro. He's still here. He's still here, but he's still here, bro.
Bro, where are you?
I'm down here. He's still killing everybody. He's killing everybody, bro.
I'm about to die.
Wait, I'm
Bro,
gonna
I
take.
died! Bro, this thing is so hard. How do I get out?
I'm gonna TP you to me, okay? Just wait for. Wait, bro. Just wait.
Please help me. Please. There we go. Stop! Stop!
Oh my god.
Stop! 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 Stop!
Give me back everything, bro. Give me
Stop,
back
stop.
everything. Give me back everything. Please. Give me back everything.
Okay, this.
Everything that you wear.
My wind burst, my turtle shell, this one. That's all I got.
What are you wearing, bro?
Oh, I forgot. This. That's all I
Okay.
got, bro.
Let's see, bro. The letter cup. Oh my god, the letter cup is literally broken. Letter cup is made. Leggings. I don't know here. Where's the leggings, bro?
I don't know, bro. Oh,
Oh my god, finally. Oh my god, they put the AirPod.
I get.
Bro, don't take anything! Don't take anything. Give me
Bro,
back.
I'm sorry, bro.
Give it back. Everything.
There.
Thanks. Come back here. Now I'm gonna do it. 1, 2, or 3. I'm gonna do the 1, 2, or 3.
Bro, you're memorizing it.
No, I'm so bad at memorizing, bro.
Bro, go already.
Just wait! Giving me a totem because the totem gone, bro. Oh my god.
Sana pinit ko dito to. Sana.
Bro. Wait, just wait, bro. Just enjoy the music for now. What are you taking? What are you doing? Okay, bro. I'm gonna close my eyes and sing Lava Chicken. Lava Chicken, your mama is back. Okay, now I'm done. I'm gonna pick. You're saying 1, 2, or 3, okay, bro? 2.
Huh? Did you say two? That's the weirdest thing ever.
Now, pick the 1. I'm gonna pick number
1, 2, or 3.
2.
Bro, you always get the best things ever.
I'm gonna pick number 2 again.
No! That's still the worst thing. Not like that thinking.
I'm gonna pick number 2.
Yes, you got something bad this time.
Now I'm gonna pick here. Where are you? 1, 2, or 3. 2.
Oh my god, you're so good at memorizing.
I'm not memorizing, bro. 1, 2, or 3, okay? Don't kill that guy. That's my guard.
No!
Oh my god. Save! Go back down. You're not going to the 1, 2, or 3, bro. Get back down. Now, I'm gonna pick... Where is it, bro? Where's 1, 2, or 3? Where is now? Where is it now? Here?
Yeah.
1, 2, or 3? 2!
Stop. Look the different way. For a sec, please.
Okay, looking the different way. Looking the different
Bro!
way. Just looking the different way, bro.
Bro, where are you going?
Looking the different way. What the heck? What did I broke? Yo, I'm goalie goal.
No. Wait, stop.
Chicken lollipop. Mommy's nagasi. Mommy lukos. Where's mommy lukos?
What did you say?
Number 2.
Number 2, okay.
I'm gonna pick number... Next, I'm gonna pick number 1. Next, I'm gonna pick number 3. Next, I'm gonna pick number 2. Okay, what did I get? What did I get? What did I get?
We're gonna find
Is it everything here?
100.
Can you kill me?
Where's the werewolf? The werewolf. And you're making
Wait.
just get everything.
I'm gonna pick everything, okay? I'm feeling good about this. How much?
This one.
Where's my things?
Oh, that. Here is the one.
Oh my God, take it. That's not how. That's no, that's how Robbie does.
Bro, it's not a rabbit. Oh, it's.
Oh my God, it's a 100. So I'm gonna spend
Bro,
Oh wait.
I thought this was a werewolf.
So it's now 100. Now I'm going here because I don't like to die.
Bro. I know what.
That's 100, bro.
Bro, that's worse. I think this is not worse than the werewolf. Why me, bro?
Where's it?
Bro, they killed me. Why me? They should kill you.
For God's sake, where are they going?
How can you make me creative?
No,
Please, please.
no.
Why, yo? No!
For God's sake, come.
Bro, go outside!
Just wait, I'm dying. Can you stay